So guys, here you can see it, where more video has been came on the LeetCode Cam channel. So in today's video, by the way, we are solving a question number 3012, okay, by the name of minimize length of array using operations. So yeah, we are solving this question, and we solve this question probably in 5 to 10 minutes, probably 10 minutes. In 10 minutes we solve this question, okay. And in today's question there are the total 3 examples are included with an explanation. So I will be told you all the 3 examples with an explanation step by step. And if you are new here, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press all bell icon so you can notifications will become of my whenever I upload new videos, so the notification will become, okay. And we are solving the medium one question in today's video, and there are total 5 hints are included in today's question, okay. There are 5 hints, but we wouldn't want to see these 5 hints. We will be solve this question by our own brain, okay, without seeing any hint. And in today's question there are the total 5 topics are included: array, math, greedy, number theory and P weekly contest 122. So in today's question there are the 5 topics are included, and we are solving this question in Python 3. So let's start to solve today's question in Python 3 and 3012 question by the name of minimize length of array using operations. So yeah, so let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing game. Guys, here you can see it, one more video has been came on the LeetCode Camp channel. So like I have told you, in today's video we are solving our question number 3012 by the name of minimize length of array using operations. So let's start. It has given me a 0 index integer array. Nums means it is giving me a 0 index integer array by the name of nums, which is containing some positive integers, okay. Our task is to minimize the length of nums by performing the following operations any number of times including 0. Our first step, we want to select two distinct indices I and j from nums such that nums I greater than 0 and nums j greater than 0. Okay, these are some formulas. Number 2, we want to insert the result of nums I then modules nums j at the end of nums. And then in third one, what we're gonna do now, then we delete the elements at indices I and j from nums. Okay, in the third we want to do that. Now our task is we want to return an integer denoting the minimum length of nums after performing the operation any number of times. Okay. Example number 1. In example 1, here you get one integer array by the name of nums, in which he wrote in down 1 4 3 1 and the output has been coming 1. Okay. Now why the output has been coming 1? Because one way to minimize the length of array is as follows. Operation number 1, we want to select indices 2 and 1. We want to insert nums2 modules nums1 at the end, and it becomes 1 4 3 1 3. Then we want to delete the elements at indices 2 and 1. Nums becomes 1 1 3. Then in operation 2, what we're gonna do now, we want to select indices 1 and 2, and then we insert nums1 modules nums2 at the end, and it becomes 1 1 3 1. Then we delete elements at indices 1 and 2. Nums becomes 1 comma 1. Then in operation 3, this is the last not least, we want to select indices 1 and 0. Then we insert num1 modules num0 at the end, it becomes 1 comma 1 comma 0. Then we delete elements at indices 1 and 0. Then num becomes 0. The length of nums cannot be reduced further, hence the answer is 1. It can be shown that 1 is the minimum achievable length. Okay, simple is that. That's why the output is becoming 1. Now example number 2. Here we created one integer array by the name of nums, in which we wrote in 5 5 5 10 5, and now output has been coming 2. Why? Because one way to minimize the length of array is as follows. Operation number 1. In operation 1, we want to select indices 0 and 3, and then we insert nums0 modules num3. At the end, it becomes 5 5 5 10 5 5. Then we delete elements at indices 0 and 3, then nums becomes 5, 5, 5, 5. And in the operation number 2, that we select indices 2 and 3, then we insert nums2 modules nums3 at the end, and it becomes 5, 5, 5, 5, 0. Then we delete elements at indices 2 and 3, then nums becomes 5, 5, 0. In operation 3, we select indices 0 and 1, and we insert nums 0 modules nums 1. At the end, it becomes 5, 5, 0, 0. Then we delete elements at indices 0 and 1, then nums become 0, comma 0. So then the length of nums cannot be reduced further, then hence the answer is 2. It can be shown that 2 is the minimum achievable length. Okay, so that's why here the upper hand coming 2. Number 3. Here you get an integer array by the name of nums in which he wrote down 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And these all are the positive numbers, okay? In which the upper hand coming 1. Why? Because one way to minimize the length of the array is as follows. Operation number 1. We want to select indices 1 and 2. We insert nums1 modules nums2 at the end, and it becomes 2, 3, 4, 3. Then we delete elements at indices 1 and 2, then nums becomes 2, comma 3. And then in operation number 2, here we select indices 1 and 0, and then we insert nums1 modules nums0 at the end, and it becomes 2, 3, 1. Then we delete elements at indices 1 and 0, then nums becomes 1. And the length of nums cannot be reduced further, hence the answer is 1. It can be shown that the 1 is the minimum achievable length. So simple is that. I hope you understood that. So now let's start to solve this question in LeetCode Cam website. So let's start. And this is a medium one question which we are solving, by the way. And you can see, like I've told you in my introduction, in today's question, and there are the total 5 hints are included, but we wouldn't view these all the 5 hints. Okay, we'll be solve these thing by our own brain. So let's start. And this question has 5 topics: array, math, greedy, number theory, and LeetCode test 122. But anyway, let's start to solve this question in Python 3. So first of all, we define here class of a solution, a def minimum array length, self comma nums, list int, and then again int, and then here we define nums dot short cnt equals to 1 for num in nums, and then 1 semicolon if num equals to nums 0 semicolon, one more time, cnt plus equals to 1, enter. Else if num modules nums 0 then 0, then we want to return 1. Perfect. Back, we want to return cnt plus 1 slash list 2, and here we wrote it down comment cnt is equal to 1. Okay, now let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so now the running code has been accepted. You can see the case 1 expected output is 1, mouse output coming 1. In the case 2 expected output is 2 and mouse output having coming 2. In the case 3 expected output is 1 and mouse output having coming 1. So let's see the submission code now. So when I submit this code, now the submission code is also be perfect, and I beat total 23% people. So let's post the solution here. So post it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video in which we solve a question number 3012 by now minimum length of array using operations. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. And you can also see my profile of a LeetCode Cam. You can see it. Go and see my LeetCode profile also. You can see it. And now you can also go on to my channel, and please do total 5,000 subscribers. We are very near to it, and then come into the videos and see all my LeetCode camp videos which I am uploading, and then come onto the playlist. And when you come onto the playlist, come onto the LeetCode camp playlist, please access this playlist and bookmark it, okay? And for paid promotions and anything, you will be email me at my email by the name of ryanbig1253 at gmail.com, okay? You will be email me at my email. So but anyways, let's meet you in next video. In next video I'm making video like this. So for today, goodbye.